guys, what's up? Matty SRT here with another upload, and today I have a great surprise for one of my subscribers at Tricks.
What's up,
right
guys?
here. He's helping me do some filming because me being a loner, I don't have any rolling shots, so he's been helping me out film with his Durango, donuts, burnouts, all that good stuff. So what I'm doing for him helping me out, which he's been, I'm sure, dying to do, is to drive my Durango. So what we're doing, I'm letting him take the driver's seat, and he's gonna try this out and see what the heck's going on, man. So I'm gonna take some footage of him and see his reaction. We'll go from there, all right? So here we go, let's have some fun, guys. All right, guys, so one of the first things we're gonna do here in the Durango with Tricks is we're gonna do launch control. I'm showing him how it works, and well, he's ready to do it. We're on a nice private road in Mexico here, and we got launch control enabled, and he's ready to go. So I'm getting ready to get my neck whiplash, so here we go, guys. All right, man, whenever you're ready, go for it. Whew. I thought you were almost gonna go to, I thought you were gonna go to 60 for a moment there. But his 60 foot time, guys, 194, which is actually not that bad for a big boy like myself. Another guy in here, man, this is great. So that's launch control, man. He's having fun with this. And to think he wanted to do this in manual, he probably could, but he'd be so much back in the seat, he'd forget to shift the second.
Oh, yeah.
There he goes. Yeah. See, now he's not afraid of it. The engine's broken in. It's almost at 16,000. We're good. Anyway, guys. All right, we're going to do some more. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Another thing we're going to do, we're going to put this in full track mode for Tricks. And what we're going to do is I'm going to put him in rear-wheel drive only instead of all-wheel drive to let him get the experience of how much a difference that all-wheel drive system makes. So what I'm going to have him do, we're going to push this far left button right here. That's going to enable rear wheel, okay? And that's pretty much it. Yeah. So just be careful. You might get a little wheel hop. Okay. But if you want, don't do a full floor, but just you'll feel it out. Go for it, man, whenever you're ready. All right. And I'm going to zoom out here. All right, man.
Yeah. You ain't kidding about that hop, huh?
Yeah, it still wants the hot. Remember, these tires are they're wider and they're stickier than when you're normal stock.
Yeah. So
they will present a difference for you. And if you want to try burnout,
that freaking sounds freaking aggressive. Like, can only imagine when your new setup.
It'll have a deeper
tone
growl to it. It'll be fun, yeah. All right, so you're used to, like you said, doing your burnout. Yeah. You just do what you're used to, man. But just remember, you got a lot more torque, so it's going to go a lot easier, and you'll see what I mean when I get to my point. I'll go up a little further. That way, we're not sticking out in the road so people can see. Because we're not going to do a big long ass one, but we'll see what you got. All right, you can go here.
Auto.
Yeah. No, do your shift. If you want to do your shifting, okay, I'd recommend doing it on here, but it's up to you. How do you do it? Do what you're comfortable with. Just like I said, you just watch your red line, man. You'll be good to go. All right, so he's gonna try. Since we're in rear-wheel drive, he's gonna try a burnout, guys. So here we go. Feel it out. Let it go with the brake. Oh shoot, car behind us, behind us. It's a mini man. Be careful. All right, we'll take the long way. Just keep going straight, go right. We'll go down Gateway. All right. That car, there's no reason for that car to come down here either, so. All right, we're gonna stop recording, guys. We're gonna evade the minivan. All right, guys, so we're gonna return here and check out the burnout that Tricks just did here. And oh my goodness, look at this boy right here. Stop right here in front. Look at that, he got a nice, decent, yeah, some nice rubber spray right there. Yeah, not bad, huh, boys? There you go. Initial point. Kept it pretty straight too, all the way. Not bad. That looks to be about 40 feet maybe. I'm gonna guesstimate 40 feet or so. Not bad. All right. He's learning, man. He's loving this motor. He feels that torque. Yeah, it's just a little bit slower. All right, now go ahead and put it to the left arrow, put it to slow. Yeah, I think the slow one's the best.